Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. I'm here with MrWaheedulHaque.
Hello.
Today we're going to be showing you how to change your car battery by removing the old one and putting in a brand new battery. It's very simple and very easy. All you need to do is take these off. We're going to take off the... Have you died?
Sorry, bro.
Oh, you sparked my car, remember?
Did I?
That was when we were soldering.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Yeah. I think you take off the negative first, then the positive, or it's the positive or negative. We're going to double check anyway. I'm going to take this out now with a 10mm socket. So you just put it on there and take it off. I don't know, we'll double check. We're going to double check which one to take off first. I'm pretty sure it's the red.
So why the fuck you making me do this one?
You wanted to do that one? Okay, 1 second. Okay, we're going to remove it now with a 10mm. Twist it hard. Fully stuck. There you go. It's quite stuck because it's not been taken off in years. So you want to take off the negative first, then the positive one. Watch how that ball might come out. Not gonna fall down there. So keep your hand big. Keep going. Keep going. You have to go right to the end, because that needs to loosen in the middle. There you go. Now leave it off. Okay, I'm going to take the positive off now. So red is positive, black or brown is negative. You're not on it. Straighten it, straighten it. Is that one bigger?
Yeah.
Twist. That's not doing nothing, bro. It's hard. Do you want me to take it out? Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it out. 1 second, guys.
Oh wait, let me try a bigger one.
Wow, it looks bigger, innit?
There's a little.
It's bigger on the end for some reason. I think it just might be bad metal.
Oh.
This ain't going well, guys. This ain't going well.
No, that's too big now.
Okay, I'm gonna figure this out and pull it off. Oh yeah. Are you sure you did it or did I do it?
You did it, bro.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so you need a lot of strength. You need the Thor Almighty strength.
Yeah. And then you got a
Lift it up.
handle.
Just make sure these don't touch. Wait, is it screwed down? I don't think so.
Sure.
Might be, but I don't think so. No, it's not screwed in. Should we just lift out? Habib,
Okay, sorry.
hold the positive and move it out of the way.
Oh, sorry.
We don't want any sparks.
Wait, you want to do what?
Hold these away from each other. We don't want any sparks. Ah, there you go. There's the old battery. Fucking hell, that's heavy, bro. Oh yeah, just keep these separate.
Like that?
Yeah, they're not gonna touch, are they?
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
If it sparks, then what?
It's not gonna spark. There's no battery. We got the battery, bro.
Oh yeah.
So it should be alright.